Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Pix Link LV WR17 Wi-Fi extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Pix Link extender. Resetting the Pix Link LV WR17 Wi-Fi extender is necessary when it stops working properly, has connection issues, or if you forget the login details. It clears old settings and restores the extender to factory defaults, allowing you to set it up fresh with your router. In the first step, plug the Pix Link WR17 extender into a working power outlet. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds until you see the LED light stable or blinking. This ensures the device is fully powered on before you reset it. Look carefully at the extender. The reset button is usually a tiny hole on the side or back. It is labeled as reset or sometimes unmarked. You will need a pointed object, like a paperclip, pin, or toothpick, to press it. Insert the pin into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for about 8 to 12 seconds continuously. While holding, you may notice the LEDs flicker or turn off, which means the reset process has started. After holding for the required time, release the button. The extender will restart automatically. This reboot may take 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the LEDs will blink and then stabilize. After reboot, your extender is now reset to factory default settings. After successfully resetting the extender, you must set it up again as if it were a new device. Now connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network shown on its label. Then, open a web browser, enter the setup address from the label, e.g., a specific IP address or a domain like pixlink-extender.net, and follow the on-screen wizard to reconnect it to your main home network. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.